We are selling a 20.5 acreage island property, prime for development with over 3,000 feet of water frontage. And the best way to see this island is by watching this video. Keep watching. San Pedro Ambergris Caye, the Central American sensation from Madonna's famous song, La Isla Bonita. San Pedro has the world's second largest barrier reef, alive and vibrant. Initially, buildings were only constructed up to 3 stories high. Then, Marriott's Alaya became a 5-story resort, and currently a 3-bedroom unit just sold for $1,390,000. As we move up the coast, you can see the entire coastline is built upon. Also, we are closer to the 20.5 acre island. Now, as we approach Caribville, in Caribville we have Grand Caribe, and that was the beginning of the super resorts. It began as a 3-story subdivision. As time went on, it became a 4-story and now a 5-story structure. Today, a 3-bedroom unit is available for $1,600,000. Grand Caribe hosts the island's hospital, which is only 2,000 feet across the water to the island for sale. As we move up, the buildings change from a 4-story to a 5-story. Now, the builder that is building Clearwater is building 4 8-story high-rises. The first 8-story was built and sold out in 1 year. The only unit available is just a 2-bedroom unit available for resale at $1,150,000. Just on the opposite side of Grand Caribe, we can go 2,000 feet from land out to the island. As you can see, the boat approaches the 20.5 acreage island property, prime for development with over 3,000 feet of the Belize clear Caribbean water frontage in the most desirable fly fishing area. It's already been subdivided into 8 1-acre lots with 100 feet of waterfront per lot, and 1 12.5 acre, 2,200 feet of water frontage. This island is much more water frontage and acreage than all the displayed resorts combined. San Pedro's town board is very supportive of growth and jobs. With the population exploding over 600% the last 10 years, you have a booming market and an island parcel in the center of the best section in all of Belize. As far as what to build or how to power your island, I've been a continuous owner of this property since 2007. I have formulated many plans and concepts for ecological preservation that I would love to share. Here's my contact information, and thank you for watching this video.